So what you see here is the shot that we were trying to get as we came up out of the trees in this location for a promo video that we were going to do. And you can see the white caps out in the Columbia. And the jittery nature of the shot is not acceptable for what we wanted to do, and we should have tried this on a calm day. You can see that I lift the gimbal up to get a shot forward, but the sponsons get in the way. And right about here is where it starts to go rogue on us, and I can't keep it in place any longer. The wind picked up just enough that the propellers couldn't fight the direction of the wind enough. And I'm running through the trees at this point and can't see the drone. I'm holding the stick in the direction that I'm hoping is keeping it off of the highway. Had no idea that I came close to this tree. Still looking for it as I'm jumping over brush and sticks and running under the trees that are on the right here out of view of the camera. I think about here is where I finally caught sight of it and was able to direct it a little bit. The wind died just enough that I can make some progress, and I'm starting to spot an area between the trees where I can begin to think about landing it. And right in here I begin to navigate it, and I've just got to do it quick while I've got control, so it's going to be a pretty rough landing. And on the way down I hit a branch, and you can see that there it was upside down in the grass. Not the best plan for getting a good shot. That's why better quality drones are necessary.